Want to get movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports on your Amazon Fire TV stick? I am going to show you how to access apps that you cannot find in the official App Store. This is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, go to the search icon on your home screen. Search for Downloader. This is the orange app icon. Download and install it. Do not open it yet. Hit the home button and go to Settings. Select My Fire TV. If you do not see developer options, click About. Select your Fire TV stick and click it 7 times until it says you are a developer. Go back and open Developer Options. Turn on ADB debugging. Go to Install Unknown Apps and turn it on for the Downloader app. This allows you to sideload applications. Now, go to your apps list. Highlight Downloader, press the 3-line button on your remote and select Move to Front. This puts it on your home screen for easy access. Open Downloader, click Allow. In the URL box, enter the code 298344 and hit Go. This will take you to the IPTV Wire Quick Links page. From here, locate and select Purple Player IPTV to download and install it. Once the installation is finished, click Done and delete the installation file to save space. Now, open the Purple Player IPTV app. You will be prompted to input your service details to connect your stream. Playlist name KingStream. Username 2463667994. Password 7802601930. Playlist URL http://thisiptv.com:8080. Once you have entered these details exactly as shown, select Add User or Login. Your channels, movies, and sports will now begin to load. To run these apps smoothly and protect your privacy, you need a reliable VPN. I highly recommend using NordVPN. It prevents your internet provider from throttling your connection and keeps your streaming habits private. You can find the installation link in the description and the comments below. Once installed, just click Connect. It will automatically find the best location for you. This is essential for keeping your connection secure while streaming. You now have a fully loaded device with access to content from all over the world. It is that simple. Please share this video with a friend to help them get the most out of their device. Happy streaming! Would you like me to adjust the pacing or tone of this script, or are you ready to use it for your next video production?